This question doesn't seem to give us a lot of information, but it says a ball is thrown upwards at a speed of 5 meters per second. So the initial velocity is 5 meters per second. It asks what would be the maximum height reached by the ball. Now we know as the ball goes up and up and up, its velocity gets less and less and less until at its maximum height, its velocity will be 0. Okay. The other piece of information this question expects us to know is that the acceleration here is due to gravity, which on Earth is 10 meters per second squared. However, gravity acts downwards, so the acceleration is downwards. It's going to decrease the velocity. U we took to be positive when it was upwards. Therefore, we have to take the acceleration to be negative because it acts in the opposite direction. We then have to find the maximum height. We don't have an equation for height. We have one for displacement, which is S equals U plus V divided by 2 times t, just the average velocity, times time. However, we need the time for this equation. So we have to do this question in 2 steps. The first one is use V equals U plus AT to work out t. So we have naught equals 5 minus 10t. We then add 10t to both sides. Gives us that the time is 5 divided by 10, which is 0.5 seconds. We then put our values into this equation. So we have displacement equals average velocity, which is u, 5, plus v, 0, divided by 2, times t, which is 0.5. Displacement equals 5 plus 0 is just 5, divided by 2 is 2.5, times 0.5. Type that into your calculator and it gives the displacement is 1.25 meters.